Hello there everyone. Our lesson for today is probability of a normal distribution. For our objective is at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the probabilities in a normal distribution. So, let's start.
For the first problem, which is probability of z is greater than 1.5, first we need to locate 1.5 to z table, and then after knowing its value, which is 0.4332, we have to get the half part of the normal curve. A normal curve has 100% or 1. So the half of it is 0.5. We have to locate 1.5 on the normal curve and shade the right part of it, because the problem is when z is greater than 1.5. The shaded part will be 0.4332. We will have now to subtract 0.5 to the value of 1.5, which is 0.4332. So the answer is 0.0668.
For the second problem, which is probability of C is greater than negative 2.21. First, we have to find the value of negative 2.21 in the C table, which is 0.4864. After knowing the value of negative 2.21, we need to locate it in the normal curve. We need to shade the area of negative 2.21 because when the problem is greater than, it's always in the right side. So, we need to get this value, which is 0.5, and this one is 0.4864. After that, we need to add the 0.5 to the value of negative 2.21, which is 0.4864. The value or the area of negative 2.21 is 0.9864.
Our third problem is P of z is less than to negative 2.23. We need to locate 2.23 to the z table. After knowing its value, we have to locate negative 2.23 to normal curve. And shade the left side of it. because if the problem is less than, it will be always on the left side. We have now the half of the normal curve, which is 0.5. And then subtract 0.5 to the value of negative 2.123, which is 0.48721. And this is our final answer.
So we are now in the fourth problem, which is the probability of z is greater than negative 1.47 but less than 2.85. So that those two values, we need to find their value in the z table. And now, the value of 1.47 is 0.4147, and the value of 2.85 is 0.4958. So after we getting those value, the 1.47 and 2.85 are needed to locate it in the normal curve, as you can see in the normal curve right now. So in that case, we need to add because it's in between. So 0.4147 plus 0.4958. So this is the final answer of 0.9105. So we are now in the fifth problem, which is the probability of z is greater than negative 1.75 but less than negative 0.23. So for now, we need to find those value in the z table, which is the value of negative 1.75 is 0.4559, and the value of 0.23 is 0.0910. And after that, the negative 1.75 and negative 0.23 are needed to locate in the normal curve, just like you see in the table right now. So after that, you'll have to subtract the value of the negative 1.75 and the negative 0.23, because it is not in between on this area. So for now, we need to subtract the 0.4599 and 0.09110. So the final answer is 0.03689 of this area. For the last 6 problem for now is the probability of z is greater than 0.45 but less than 2.12. So for now, first you need to find the area of 0.45 and 2.12 in a C table, which is the area of 0.45 is 0.1736 and the area of 2.12 is 0.4830. And after that, the 0.45 and 2.12 I need to locate it in the C table, which is like this. And after that, subtract the area of 0.45 and 2.12 because the mean is not included. So now, the final answer of this area is 0.3094. That's all. Thank you.